clothes. But, yeah, is mo yan. Balak kong bumili nitong sleeper para sa bahay. No, this is, what size is this? I think this, I need 36. Yeah. 36. So, mayroon tayong size. So, bibili tayo. Is cheaper lang siya, guys. How much is that cost? 17 euro, right? Yeah, I will try it on. Tingnan natin kung kakasya. Yeah. So, ayan guys, nakabili na. 17 euro na siya. So, kukunin natin. Yeah, para maka-video. Kasi hindi ko dala yung aking camera. Guys, gusto ko kasi ng masikip na socks. Kaya dito na lang ako bibili pang children. Ayan. So, yan. So, andito tayo. Malawak ito. Hanggang sa dulo pa. Si Peter nagtitingin din siya ng sleeper niya. So, para makapinyo. So, namimili si Peter ng sapatos niya, guys. Ay, sapatos. Chinelas niya. Kasi yung chinelas na ginagamit pa namin last year. So, medyo so, papalit kami ng sleeper. Ayan. Kasi malamig na naman. So, kailangan natin ng sleeper sa baba. So, ang late ng dalawa kasi 36 size lang siya. Nagmumuryot yung bata kasi ayaw niya nang pinapasuot sa kanya. You like it? You like it? Hmm? It's good for you? I don't know, but the socks that you wear, 45, that one? I get 45, yeah? Napunta kami sa Ritual, guys. Kasi yung shampoo ko is Ritual. Dito ko siya binibili. So, bibili ako. Ang ating shampoo, guys. Ito siya. Maganda siya sa buhok. Bibili ako. Please. And bibili tayo ng mga lipstick. Hindi shampoo lang ang binili ko. At saka conditioner. Yeah? So, magbabayad na ako, guys. Ang bango daw dito, sabi ni Peter. Siyempre, Ritual eh. Pag-upit si Kyle, kasama na namin ngayon. Pinatrim lang niya yung buhok niya. Oh, yan. Yun at... Pakita mo sa vlog natin. Oh, bagay. So, yan guys. Nakabili na kami sa Ritual. And then, nakabili din kami ng sleeper ko. Ayan. So, where we go now? We go home? Yeah, because Kyle need to... Yeah. Kasi kailangan ni Kyle magpunta ng work, guys. So, we're going home. No socks. Ayan. Saka yan lang nabili namin dito, guys. Yeah. So, we go. Kasi kailangan pang kumain ni Kyle. Dito kami, guys, sa mall. Kasi sa underground niya kami Underground? The parking. The parking. So, we're going there. So, look, guys. Kyle, look at this. Is there? Yeah, I think from 7. No, look.
Coffee?
Yeah, I don't know what kind of chocolate is this.
Oh, chocolate.
Chocolate? Yeah. So, Bandelt. Bandelt, yung pangalan ng ano. Yan guys, dito yung New Yorker at saka Tiki Maxx. Pero hindi kayo magti-Tiki Maxx. Enter Toys. Pero punta na kami sa parking area. No, we gonna go home now because Kyle need to go to work at 6 o'clock. Nadaan na rin kami ng Albertine, guys. Bibili lang ng tissue. And titingin kami na. So, gagawa ako ng ano mamaya ulit. Brownies. Yan. Yeah, and then I need two. It's more. Because the one we only eat one time in Clark. Did you already buy milk, right? Yeah, so we only need this one. Anything else? Malapit kasi ng store sa amin. So, okay. Yogurt yan. Kahapon, bumili na siya ulit ng... Mayroon pa akong dalawa dun. Hindi pa nakakain. So, hindi ako bibili ng para sa amin ni Kyle. Mayroon pa kami. And then, did you also buy broad? We have also broad. So, we don't need to buy. Shall we go? What is ananas is that? Daisa? Drinks? Can I try also this one? Bibili ako nito guys. Masarap to. 100% mango daw. Juice. Okay. Let me try it. No, I already tried this one guys. Masarap siya. So we're gonna try. Yeah. Mango. That is mango? Lalagay niya sa shake niya guys. Ito yung mga ginagamit namin. Ayan. Ito. Pero yung maliit yung pinili niya ngayon. So we have everything. And this one, we can avail this one already. Daisa? So kukuha na ako nito guys. Glass. Yeah. Kasi may point na kami. So yung points namin, i-change namin nito. So what is the good one? So tingnan natin guys kung mayroon tayo. Ato, pang cocktail glass. Tumbler glass. Oh, we have already 2 points. So what we can get on that? I think it's better this one. Long drink glass. We can use it. Because we are, anyway, that one we are not drinking wine. So we cannot use it. Yeah. And there's a water glasses also. Yeah, this one. Because we have like this, but declined. So they are almost the same, yeah? Yeah, we have that. So I like this more. Which one do you like more?
Like this?
Oh. It's just like glass in the hotel.
You say which
Yeah,
one?
this one.
Yeah?
So kukuha kami nito guys. So we can add 3 euro. Yeah? Nice. And then yung brand niya is Royal. Yeah, good quality rin siya guys. Kasi mayroon akong cooking pan na ganyan. At saka yung ginagamit ko mga spatula. Ganyan, pero maganda siya. Pizza guys. Kasi may gusto daw siya na hindi niya alam. Sabi ko, go ahead if you want it. So that is your dinner?
Yeah.
So how is the one I cook?
I eat tomorrow.
Okay, it's good. Only one?
Yeah, you want more?
I think you can also buy one more. Only one, so I think you can buy one more. I don't know which one.
One more?
Yeah, one more. Yeah, that is also that one, so you can cook next time.
This one also?
Yes. It's yeah, you try it.
No, I'll take it.
Oh, also the pizza spinach.
No.
Okay. Ito ng dalawa guys, 319 ang isa.
We have also pint glass like this.
Yeah. Do you want? Yeah, if we have a party, we can also use it.
If you want to wine glass.
So ito lang yung nabili namin guys. So uwi na kami. Bukas na naman kung may naisip na naman akong bibiliin. Ayan, they have also here. They have also here. Pizza salami. Yeah, it's the same. And this one, they have fish. Yeah, they have fish. Fish fillet.
Some.
No, it's not a salmon. Oh, salmon? Oh, salmon. Without skin. And they have also here shrimp.
Nice.
Yeah.
I think that one is
How
5
much?
euro. 460.
How much?
460.
Oh, okay, 460.
And this one is 8 euro.
Yeah, I will buy next time. I'm not craving for that. I'm craving for this. Honey, seafood. But I don't want, I'm not want that now because we still have food at home. I cook mini fritada. Huh? I can put it now. Also ice cream, guys. Which one? The one we buy before? It's not the mini? The assorted. Oh, only that one. Oh, there is a. We buy the Magnum. Yeah, ito guys, Magnum. Ano na siya? Assorted na siya. So we buy this one. So how many pieces is this one? It's 6. Okay. So ayan guys, tignan nyo na yung presyo. Yan lang yung nabili natin. So tignan natin kung ilan lahat. Look. 53 euro na siya. Plus that one. Yeah. So 59 euro. Lahat yan guys. So dahil meron kaming bonus card. It's the bonus card. Ayan. So less 4 euro and 19 cents. Ayan. Kasi may premium card kami. So we only pay 55. Yeah, this one is already long drinks. This one. Yeah. Okay. So yan kadami guys is equivalent to 59 euro kung wala kaming discount. Kasi may kaming bonus card so may discount siya. Pero madadagdagan pa yan. Yeah. Pay. So ayan, so naging 61 euro siya guys kasi meron kaming cup sales. So meron kaming ini-earn dito na ano, parang saving namin. Pwede namin siyang i-withdraw pag gusto namin. So ayan lang. And we are now in Albert Park. So kukunin natin ito. Tapos si Peter magkakarga ng dala namin. And meron din sila mga gandang bulaklak dito guys. Kaya tayo bibili. Yeah, honey. That's how we go. Guys, so pauwi na tayo sa bahay. Tapos na kaming nag-grocery ng konti. At galing na rin kami ng The City. Kung nakikita nyo si Kyle, wala nasa likod. Kasi, drinap na namin siya sa bahay kanina. Dahil pupunta siya ng work. So now we're going back home. Kasi tapos na naman ang ating money. Yeah. So nakakar tayo ngayon